Welcome to Authentic Science Video 36, the next generation network, the 5G. Now, what is 5G? 5G is the fifth generation mobile network. It is a new global wireless standard after 1G, 2G, 3G, and 4G networks. 5G enables a new kind of network that is designed to connect virtually everyone and everything together, including machines, objects, and even devices. That is, not only mobile, laptops, and desktop, even TV can be connected with the help of 5G. And 5G can give a speed of 10 gigabytes per second. All telecommunication networks in our world are using electromagnetic waves with a particular frequency. 5G works on three different frequencies. Higher the frequency, higher will be the speed, but the shorter will be the range covered. The electromagnetic wave used in 5G is known as millimeter wave or mmW, with a wavelength varying from 1 to 10 millimeter. This was first investigated by an Indian physicist Jagadish Chandra Bose in 19th century. For 5G, we require a modest size antenna to have a small beam width. If there is a high atmospheric attenuation, which means gases in the atmosphere absorbs the signal, then the communication range can even come to 1 kilometer. A cable-free mmW link, that is millimeter wave link, has already installed in UAE for safe city application. Now, what is latency? This is the time taken for data transfer from a mobile to tower, and this is expressed in milliseconds. For 4G, it is about 50 milliseconds, and in 5G, it will be less, that is less than 10 milliseconds. Each operator owns a block of spectrum, that is a spectrum of electromagnetic radio frequencies. For 5G, it requires 10 times more spectrum than compared to the 4G, and this is a real challenge with 5G. Sometimes we have seen that our mobile will be showing full signal, but there won't be any internet connection. This is why, because 4G supports only up to 1 lakh devices per square kilometer. This problem will be over with the introduction of 5G, because 5G supports about 10 lakh devices per square kilometer. And 5G provides an additional element of security than 4G. This 5G most probably it will be launched in 2021. A comparison between 4G and 5G. The bandwidth of 4G is about 200 megabytes per second, but in 5G it is more than 1 gigabytes per second. Latency in case of 4G is 20 to 30 milliseconds, but in 5G it is less than 10 milliseconds. Average speed of 4G is 25 megabytes per second. In 5G, it is 200 to 400 megabytes per second. The application of 5G other than mobile broadband are ultra reliable low latency communications and massive machine type communications. There are a few drawbacks as well. More towers are required for 5G compared to 4G. And in case of 5G, the operator should buy 10 times of spectrum compared to 4G. Both of these can lead to more financial investments also. Thank you.